With me today is Alejandro Romero and Sandra Cedeno, who are the owners at Ocre, where they manufacture lamps. Thank you so much for joining me. And let's start with some basics about your company. What products do you manufacture?
We manufacture decorative luminaires of all kinds, floor, tables, and pendant, etc.
Okay, where are you located and how long have you been in business?
We're location is Zapopan, Jalisco, Mexico.
Okay, and how many people do you have in your staff today?
Around 30 people, 50 people.
Okay, and have you produced goods for any large or well-known customer?
Yes, now we work with the Grupo Posadas, with some hotels, and this is one of the largest hotels in Mexico.
Okay, and are you primarily a manufacturer or are you also a trading company?
Mainly a factorer. We make practically all our products.
Okay, before Zipfox, were you already focused on the US market?
Yes, but not with an object.
Okay, has anything changed recently to make you focus on the US as an opportunity?
Well, no, we're not starting yet, but we have seen the interest in our products outside our country.
Okay, and well, right now a lot is changing in the global supply chain, and with so many companies looking for options outside of Asia, China, a lot of attention is on Mexico. Do you see this moment as an opportunity for Mexico to play a larger role in international trade?
Yes, we think it's necessary to start to take in new markets in the world.
Yeah, that's true. And as your company grows, do you have plans to expand your facility, create more jobs, maybe add new products? Like, what is the future for your company?
Well, I think that it's a goal. The expand it's a goal, and create more jobs. For now, maybe not. Only we need to know more about the sales and the new products. Every season we can do or we have a new product. And in the future for Ocre, search more markets outside Mexico.
Okay, Alejandro and Sandra, this has been amazing, and we really appreciate you taking the time to introduce your company to the buyers on Zipfox. We'll be sure to link your Zipfox profile when we share this story, and we appreciate you being on the platform. Thank you so much.